Ikaw lang ang nakakaintindi. Are you using words your staff does not understand? Alam mo, yung feeling na malinaw sa iyo pero hindi sa kanila. Ganyan din nangyari sa isang couple na kilala ko, Alma and Kevin, na merong restaurant supplies business. Alma handles sales, Kevin manages warehouse and logistics. And si Kevin was frustrated sa kanyang warehouse staff. He kept telling them about FIFO, inventory turnover, and SKU management. Dapat FIFO tayo palagi ha. Check ninyo kung alin yung slow-moving SKUs. Ayusin ninyo ang inventory turnover. But his staff kept making mistakes. Old stocks stayed at the back, new stocks get sold first. The warehouse was really very disorganized. And Kevin complained to Alma. Hindi nila alam ang ginagawa nila. But Alma watched how Kevin gave instructions. And she realized something. His staff were not college graduates. They did not know what FIFO meant. They did not understand SKU. They had never heard of inventory turnover. Kevin was speaking a language they did not understand. And Alma suggested something simple. Instead of FIFO, say unang pumasok, unang lumabas. Instead of SKU, say bawat klase ng item. Instead of inventory turnover, say gaano kabilis maubos ang stock. Kevin changed how he talked to his team. Same instructions, different words. Yung mistakes, nako, they dropped immediately. See? Anak, ang lesson ay ito. Just because you understand your words does not mean they do. Speak their language. Use simple words. Check if they understand. Hindi porke malinaw sa'yo, malinaw na rin sa kanila. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.